I'm the Wacky Gentleman. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this cute cat pillow. First thing you're going to need is a cat. Second thing you're going to need is a cat brush. Spinning your cat is optional, but it makes the hairs get static electricity better for brushing. Look at all that, huh? There we go, huh? Oh, yeah. Got some more. Oh, don't need it. We need that. Now you can grab any material with a cat on it, sew it up nice, and leave a little opening in the back so you can stuff the cat fur in, just like so. Now, as you can see, I've been working on this pillow for quite some time. It takes a little while to get all that cat hair. And that's how you make a cat pillow. There's another pillow that I've been working on, 15 years in the making, and it's made out of belly button lint. Stay tuned. And it's made out of belly button lint. Can't get it. The first thing you're going to need is a cat. Don't be hissing. Stop hissing. Stop hissing. That's not nice. That's not nice. There's another pillow that I've been working on, 15 years in the making, and it's made out of belly button lint. Stay tuned.